Traders Live podcast.
Marto, Thursday, the 7th of December. How are you on this beautiful day?
Good jokes. Pumped, mate.
Good. I like to hear that. Mate, listen, overnight we had the S&P down 20 points. The UK 100 was up 25 points, but the real standout in yesterday's sessions was the XJO, up 112 points. And I remember yesterday you did say something about the day after an RBA interest rate decision. There is a specific day shape you're looking for. Is it a 100 plus point drive? Talk to me. What happened?
Well, mate, I'd love to say that I was expecting that, but probably not to that extent. But I guess the day after the RBA makes its decision, the players have kind of had time to digest and make a call on sift through all the data and the fluff and work out kind of where they want to place their bets. So we generally need to rally from open or fall from open on those days because obviously people have just made up their minds. That was a little bit surprising. I think I only had 4 records of that in the last 4 years that our futures and the XJO finished 100 points higher. So, mate, just rocket ships, and the way the S&P futures were going through the day, I thought we might get some big numbers out of the States overnight, but that really softened in the afternoon, which kind of put a dampener on that. But what a day!
Yeah, I know. Yeah, the little engine that could, I think, for the Australian market, taking the lead there with that. That was, like you said, unexpected for my trading as well. So I'll enjoy that. Mate, we did have GDP come out yesterday at 11:30. That was a slight beat year on year, but I mean, it may have contributed a little bit to the fuel to that, but it was that rally was already well underway by the time that data announcement came out.
Yep.
And I'm going to now turn to what we have sort of on today's bucket ticket item list. 11:30 a.m. Australia's balance of trade. 2 p.m. we've got China's balance of trade. 9 p.m. we've got the Euro area's GDP coming out. And 12:30 a.m. Friday, i.e. just ticking over midnight, we've got US initial jobless claims. And I mean, what's left on the calendar for this week? We've got Friday morning, we've got non-farm payrolls, i.e. Saturday morning, and then Saturday we've also got Chinese inflation, but take that with a grain of salt because that number is whatever they like it to be. So, yeah, on that, do you have much sort of in the way for what we can expect out of today's session?
There's not much on, is there? It's more looking at past times where we've had these kind of rallies up and see how they react today. So again, there's kind of nothing compelling pre-open, but it's just one of those things that watch price action and follow it from there.
Yeah, no, great. I think compared to last week where it was a million items every day and they were all big ticket items, this week's been pretty breezy for us.
I think we've got CPI and FOMC as well next week, and NFP obviously Saturday morning. So yeah, big kind of 7 days coming up.
Yep. So we'll save our ears for that and we'll probably tune out here, hey?
Good man. Thanks, mate.